Hi guys, this is Sarva. In today's video, we will see how to create an effective Facebook post. Before we jump into creating the Facebook post, it is important to understand why Facebook posts are important, right? Facebook has got 2.85 billion users globally. You can just imagine the reach of Facebook. It's really tremendous. So if someone wants to advertise and promote a product or a service or any business for that matter, Facebook is the platform one should look into to attract large number of audience. Facebook marketing is a separate area and I will produce a separate video on that particular topic. Right. So Facebook post needs to be very effective to attract the audience. In today's video, we will see how to create the Facebook post using Canva. Canva is a free software. You can just download from www.canva.com and use it. Let's go guys. This video will have Filmora watermark. I purchased Filmora, despite that still I am getting that watermark and that is being sorted out with Filmora. I could have removed the watermark using some other ways, but I did not want to do. Still, I want to go ahead and release this video because I don't want the learners to wait. Hopefully, this watermark will not be a disturbance in terms of learning and viewing the video. Let's go. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up and create your own account. As I have already got an account, I have already logged in here. Go to create a design. Here the drop down comes in. We are going to create a Facebook post which is 940 by 788 pixel in size. So let us click on this. So this template has come. It's a blank template. We have got two options. One is there are some pre-existing templates. Out of that we can choose one and change as we like, or we can add our own pictures and colors based on our choices, right? So if you look at the left hand side, there are a few samples available which we can use. For example, there's a happy birthday Facebook post. There's a furniture shop ad that's for sale. Then we are hiring some companies recruiting, so they have designed such a post. If you look at it simply, there's a Happy New Year wish. There's a Valentine's Day post. There is some breaking news. There's a biryani shop related Facebook post. There is a National Hamburger Day post. There are so many, right? So we can scroll down and based on what we want to do, which theme, what occasion, we can choose accordingly and start. Very common one is a birthday related one. So suppose if I want to take this and customize, I'm clicking here. When I click here, it comes to the right hand side where we can edit, right? So suppose I want to change this cake. So I double click on that. I simply press delete and it's gone. Now I want to put a different cake available. First we have to go to photos and then search for cake. So there are a lot of cakes available. We can scroll down and we can choose what we want to put. Maybe a chocolate flavor. There are multiple flavors are available. Looking very nice and sumptuous. So we can scroll down. Probably we can choose this one for example. So it has come down here. So what I will do, I will just going to move this text bit up so that we have space for the cake, right? Later we can change the color. So I am bringing it here, right? Yeah. So I am just dragging to make it fit to the window. Right, this is just an example. So we have kept the cake there. Now on the top right, that's a happy birthday is written. So what we will do is we will increase the font size little bit. So I'm double clicking and I'm going here and make it as 50 and see how it looks. Yeah, it's slightly better. We can make it as bold if you want to. So certain fonts, when I click here, the font is not supporting the bold. So we will not be able to do it. If you want to have a bold letters, then we have to go for some other font. This is okay. So we have got happy birthday as well. Right, now there is a wish written below happy birthday. They have written like, may all the joy you have spread around come back to you 100-fold, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this text. I'm going to delete this text and I will put what I want to put, right? So I'm just deleting this. Press delete button, it goes. Then you may go here and click the text. So you are getting add a heading, add a subheading, add a bit of body text, 3 options, and below there are different styles and colors. You can choose whatever you like to, right? So there's happy birthday also, but happy birthday we already have. So what we will do, we'll simply select one, add a heading. It has come here. So let us take it to the front. So what I'm going to put is happy birthday dear daughter. Yeah. And I will just change the color. To change the color, I have selected it and I am clicking on this button and I am just putting blue so that it gels with happy birthday, right? So when I click on this, it's like this. So the style is not very beautiful, doesn't match with happy birthday. So what I will do, I will just delete this one. We are just trying couple of options. We can copy this, yeah, and copy paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, just I'm dragging it down. Then now this one I will edit like dear daughter, right? So I'm just expanding this so it fits in, yeah. So happy birthday dear daughter is what we have written. I'm just changing the size, right? Now, so this is a very simple color. We can play around and see how it will look like if we change the style and colors, right? So I'm going to styles on the left hand side. If you see, I'm clicking on styles. So there are various color combinations. So we will select one by one and see how our design changes. So the first one I'm selecting. So it looks like this, kind of okay, but probably the font color is not very appealing. So let us try a few more. I'm clicking on the right side one. This is kind of okay. So I'm selecting the third one. Yeah, this is okay. Fourth one, happy birthday. So I'm just keep on clicking. So this one is like this. The next is gaggling. This is blue in color. So yeah. So I'm scrolling down and I'm selecting few other options and I'm seeing how it looks one by one. Yeah, this one looks nice. Probably the font can change. Let us see. Let us scroll down and see a few more. Okay. So you can just play around and see which one you like, and then probably you can choose as per your choice. Yeah. So we can just select this and increase the size here. Right. So this looks nice. So I will leave it here. If you want to change the balloon, or you can just see whether we have got a different set of balloons. Yeah, so there are few. You can add one or two probably. You can reduce the size, you can bring it to the right side. Probably dear daughter, you can just bring it to the left bit. Yeah, these are up to us only. We can play around. There's no hard and fast rule, so whatever you feel like you can do. As my daughter loves balloons and heart symbol, I am just adding that here. Yeah, right. Okay, I will leave it there and we are kind of done. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on file and we are going to click on download. So when I click on download, it gets downloaded as a PNG file. So it is getting downloaded. I am going to download folder and I'm just clicking and seeing how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it has come now. Yeah, right. This is one way of doing what we want to do in Facebook post using the existing template, right? So instead of this, we can also do our own Facebook post from blank template. So far what we have done is we chose an existing template and customized as per our choice. Next, what we will do, we will take a blank template and add picture and design as per our interest, right? So I am clicking on add page. So the blank page has come. So on the left hand side, I am going there and selecting a background. There are multiple colors. We can choose any background we like. Just scrolling down and just looking what can be suitable. Okay, for time being I have chosen this one. Yeah, it has come, right? Let it be. Then what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to add some cakes and balloons and birthday messages. So I'm clicking on photos on the left hand side and again looking for cakes, right? So let's see what are the cakes available now. As we saw last time, probably this time we can choose this one, see whether it gels. Contrast colors will be better, so we will not take this. Probably we can take this cake. Yeah, and we are just expanding that to fit, right? If you just change the size like this, then it will get cut, so we should not be doing it. We have to keep it like that, right? Otherwise you have to reduce like this from the corner, then it won't change, right? Yeah. We can expand to the sides like this, little bit up. Yeah, alright, okay. Now we'll add some balloons. Right, we have plenty. Right, so probably something colorful. Yeah, this one we can change. No, this doesn't look like a birthday balloon. Probably. Yeah, this one looks nice. Okay, this one is also okay. And to rotate, you can just do like this and reduce the size. Little bit of balloons here and there. Heart shaped, we will see. So there are balloons which are heart shaped as we did last time. Okay, what we will do is we will add balloon here and just rotate this and reduce the size and move to the right wherever it fits in. Right, probably this one we can take off because we need space to add
text. So we'll go to the left and add text. It has come here. So we will say happy birthday just reduce the size. We will align it to the left, right? So we will get some space. Yeah, so happy birthday, and we will just change the color to some nice pink color, dark pink. We will see. Yeah, we have got this. Yeah, happy birthday. Okay, I'm just copying this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, bringing it down, and I'm saying dear son. Yeah, simply, and we will just move this. Yeah, right. So we'll just see whether we can. I'm just making some alignments, right? So happy birthday dear son, right? So it has come like this. If you want to change the color like blue, green, anything you like, whatever you feel appropriate, you can do. I'm just doing it to show you what and how we can do. The choice is yours: colors, balloons, cakes, candles, anything you like as per your taste, you can do it. So this is kind of done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this, and I'm clicking on download. It gets downloaded. Yeah, so if you go to download folder, yeah, let's see now. Yeah, this is how the card looks like. Happy birthday dear son. Yeah, and it's always a good idea to keep a copy in Canva itself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save to folder. So there's a folder called your projects. Click on that. So I already created a folder by name Facebook post. So I'm double clicking here and I'm clicking on save. So it gets saved there. To see this particular file, I'm going to home and I can see this your projects is there, and in the recent designs also it is shown here, right? So here your projects is on the left hand side. You can click on your projects. There is a folders option. Then on the folders option you can go to Facebook post, and here it is. When you double click on that, it is available for you to make any changes next time you like to.
That's all I wanted to cover in today's video. Please put your comments and also let me know any topic you want me to make a video and share with you guys. Please subscribe and press the like button if you liked it, and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I produce a video. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.